We've got our whole kitchen set up here. We got cleaning area with supplies underneath, kitchen station with the grill, hardware storage, cleaning storage, our fruits and snacks. So here we are at number 6 camp plot at Drippings Campground just outside of Temecula, California. We've set up everything and we're good to go. This is the main cooking area. We've got our whole kitchen set up here. We got cleaning area with supplies underneath, kitchen station with the grill, hardware storage, cleaning storage, our fruits and snacks, and then we got some more dry storage here, and then we got canned goods, packaged goods, and we got a prepared table here with our water, some more stuff in here. We've got a nice big garbage can with a grill here we're not going to use. And then we've got our relaxing area with our super ultra luxurious reclining chairs and a little table. We got a fire going, getting ready to grill some stuff. And then we have our picnic table that was here for us. And a giant canopy we got to cover us from the sun. This is really handy when it's raining, especially in the cold weather, it might be snowing. Really helps to keep your stuff dry. Obviously we don't have everything underneath the tent right now, but bad weather, we definitely have something to help us out. Plus, we have our outdoor commode. We don't have to see the inside, but this makes it really good to have if you're in one of those campsites that are pretty far away from the bathroom. You can have your own. Our tent is a little bit further over. Here we have our Kodiak canvas, giant 12 by 14 with a nice light that helps at night. As we do a quick walk around here, you can see this tent is huge. It's pretty big. Plus we have an added extra they call a vestibule, which is pretty much one wall extra, and it provides for a little bit of a hangout area, just a little bit more space if you want to branch out from the inside. And over there you can see we have our propane tank. That hose leads into the inside where we have a buddy heater, which can help keep the cold from really killing you at night when you're going to sleep. Here's the outer edge of the vestibule. It's pretty big, so it's hard to get it in full screen, but really provides some extra space. Plus we have a nice little mood lighting here, which definitely helps at night when you're out here and it's just really dark. It helps to have some light with you. Here's a full view of our camp. Got a nice space here and it's really fun. So that's the basics of our camp today.